Hey guys, Duncan Shaw here. We're going to be doing a how to pack your mountain bike for flying video today. We're going to be using the B&W International Bike Case 2, and I'm going to kind of run you guys through a step-by-step guide of what I do to get this bike in this box and make sure it arrives at its destination safe and sound. So there we go, that's the bike packed away in its box, ready for the next trip. If you want to see any more information on this bike box, check out the description below. Thanks again for watching and catch you guys next time.